And it looks like the heaviest of rain is going to be later tonight. And anything that we'd see today going into the evening will be hit or miss. And anything early this morning is very isolated. I'll get to that in a second. And it's all because this warm front is getting closer and closer, and that low pressure system. Now, as far as tomorrow is concerned, it's all going to depend on how far north that warm front gets, whether we get into the warm sector or not. If we do, our chances of some stronger thunderstorms going to exist. So kind of a question mark for tomorrow, but something that we'll be watching. But today, nothing severe as far as during the day, and anything we'd see real hit or miss. Right now, Green Bay, kind of a comfortable 59 degrees, fall-ish attire for today, like Gino said. Dew point in the mid-50s, so it's still pretty comfortable. There's a little bit of a breeze out there, but it's not bad. Here are a couple little sprinkles of real light showers going right along Highway 29, but you notice even behind it, not much going on. Let's take a look at Skycast and time out our chances of rain. So anything this morning, very isolated. Now, as we go through the afternoon, as that warm front gets a bit closer, just a chance of a hit or miss shower, maybe to rumble of thunder. But going through the night, especially later on, here comes the more widespread rain with possibly some locally heavy downpours lasting into tomorrow morning, then possibly this break. And then we have to see how far north that warm front gets, and then how many of us get into that warm sector. That will be our risk of the stronger storms going into tomorrow night. Here comes the cold front as we go through later tomorrow night. Now, with that system for tomorrow, in the afternoon and evening, you see the slight risk of severe weather for us, meaning if you'd see a thunderstorm in the afternoon or evening, could bring you some gusty wind or hail, maybe an isolated spin up. We'll keep an eye on that for you. But today, during the daytime, not expecting severe weather. Average high should be 69 degrees. We weren't too far from it yesterday, 66 in Green Bay. Now, as far as right now, again, it's not too cold, not that warm. 62 in Oshkosh, 52 in Oconto. There is a nice little breeze out there with dew points that are tolerable. But you see them starting to spike up where that warm sector is. And that is going to be the question mark as far as tomorrow is concerned. But a lot of your day is going to be all right. Just a chance of a hit or miss shower or maybe rumble of thunder, especially this afternoon. But as we go through the night, there's that widespread rain developing. Some locally heavy downpours possible. You see some of the accumulation, maybe an inch or two in spots. If you get under a thunderstorm, maybe even more than that. 65 today, just a chance of a hit or miss shower, rumble of thunder possible this afternoon. Not an all-day rain, but the heavier rains look to get here as far as later on tonight. And then for tomorrow, some morning rain, then a break. Then we're going to have to see what develops again in the afternoon. In the afternoon and evening, some of those have the potential to be stronger. So be aware of that. And then Friday, we cool it down. Saturday morning, Brooke, some folks in the state might see some frost.
Ooh, that'll get rid of those mosquitoes, hopefully.
Oh, yeah.